Bangalore, Gleneagles BGS Hospital champions kidney health with sports on World Kidney Day 2025. On the occasion of World Kidney Day, Gleneagles BGS Hospital, Kengeri, the leading multi-organ transplant center in Karnataka, organized an inspiring sports event for kidney transplant recipients, dialysis patients, and those undergoing transplant workup. The event featured a range of outdoor and indoor games, including cricket, lemon spoon race, 100-meter running, badminton, carom, and chess. The event featured a range of outdoor and indoor games, including cricket, lemon spoon race, 100-meter running, badminton, carom, and chess. Dr. Anil Kumar BT, both senior consultant, nephrology and transplant physician, highlighted the hospital's commitment to holistic patient care. Dr. Narendra S., both senior consultant, urology and renal transplant surgery, emphasized the hospital's pioneering transplant expertise. Dr. Jatinder Arora, Cluster Coup, Bangalore, Gleneagles Hospitals, commended the event's impact, saying, as a leader in multi-organ transplantation, 68-year-old Mr. Pradeep, an avid marathon runner who battled kidney disease since 2006 and was on dialysis for 6 years before undergoing a successful transplant.
This is Dr. Jatinder Arora. I represent Gleneagles BGS Hospital, and it's really a great honor and privilege to be part of this World Kidney Day, and we are celebrating it under the leadership of Dr. Narendra and Dr. Anil, our urologist and transplant surgeon and nephrologist. So we have gathered all the transplant patients here who are participating in various sports activity. The cricket match is going on, and people across various age group, people means the patients across various age group, they are participating and enjoying this day and creating a message, spreading a message around the life is normal even after transplant. And the message and the theme for this year is, if you can see, are your kidney okay? Kidneys okay? Detect early, protect kidney health. So we just want to spread the message in the masses. Take care of your health and kidneys. It is manageable if you detect these things early. You can live a normal life.
Any good tips for maintaining?
I guess that's a clinical subject. My clinician will give it a better. Keep yourself hydrated. I can say that. And don't eat junk food. Don't eat the medicines unnecessarily. They are many times nephrotoxics. Go by the kind of prescription of a doctor. So
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಿ ಟಿ. ನಾನು ಗ್ಲೆನಿಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ನೆಫ್ರಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಷಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ 13th ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು 2nd ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಗುರುವಾರ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸಲ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ನೀಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿನ ದಿನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಅದು 100 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ 1/3 ಕಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 40-50% ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸು ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾದ್ರು ಶುಗರು, BP ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟು, ಒಂದು ಯೂರಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯಾಟಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಫು ಈಗ ಕೊನೆಯ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತಂತನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್, ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋರು ಆಟಾಡ್ತಿರೋರು ಕೆಲವರು 60 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹಿಡನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಲೈಫು ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾದರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಡೇ.
Good morning. So my name is Dr. Narendra, consultant urologist and transplant surgeon. working in BGS Clinical Hospital. So today we are celebrating a World Kidney Day. So every year it comes with one theme. This year theme is "Are your kidneys are okay?" So means there are so many diseases affecting the kidney. So in this theme, they preferably emphasize the early detection. So we can postpone the certain things or postpone to the make the kidneys are healthier. So there are so many causes that give rise to the kidney diseases. Mainly diabetes and hypertension in Indian populations. Why the diabetes so common now? Because lifestyle. Majority of them are like a sedentary work now. Majority of them are sedentary works, and they eat the junk foods and all these things, and they are after the, everybody wanted to chase to make something as early as possible. That leads to this lot of stress life. So that leads to the hypertension and all these things. These are the two main causes for the kidney failure. So there are golden rules to prevent the kidney diseases. So we have to follow these so that they can prevent the end-stage renal disease, means kidney failure and dialysis or transplantations. So what are these things? Are good hydration, drinking a good amount of water. So healthy diet. So healthy diet means less salt, less sugar, less salt. This is a healthy diet. And physical activities, that's also very, very important. And to avoid the unnecessary taking of the antibiotic analgesics on their own or over-counter medications. So and screening at the high-risk patients, means the family history of diabetes is there or hypertension is there. So they have to undergo some screening. So detect early and protect the kidney health.
Thank you.